Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the currency on Airbnb mobile app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, on the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon to go to your account. Now scroll down, tap account or sometimes it may say setting. Tap on that. Scroll down and search for global preferences. If you don't see, don't worry. We will use a different method. Tap on your profile. After that, tap on get help. Tap on visit the help center. Search for change currency. Tap the article and follow the instruction or try updating or reinstalling the app. Old versions sometimes hide features and that's it. Whether it's through settings, the global icon or the search menu, now you know how to fix Airbnb currency setting on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.